Sustainable Development STEM project by Aman Kassim. This is Goal 12 of the Sustainable Development Goals as illustrated in the diagram. Sustainable consumption, the use of material, products, energy and services in such a way that minimizes impact on the environment and so human needs can be met in the future. This includes waste management, one of the biggest contributors to CO2 emissions and unsustainable waste is food waste. It's estimated that 22 to 33 billion pounds of food waste is generated by restaurants. A key factor to sustainable development is distributing resources more evenly. Charitable organisations like food banks need resources. My idea would allow the sharing of food from restaurants to food banks be seamless and easy. Here you can see waste management highlighted in the sustainable consumption and production diagram. This is where FoodShare comes in, an app that allows easy communication between restaurants and charitable organisations that require food, namely food banks. For example, if a restaurant had excess cucumber from that day that would go off and be wasted if unused, and the food bank needed, say, diced cucumber for the salad they were going to distribute, FoodShare would allow this transition to happen through offers and requesting food as shown in the walkthrough. I used my technological skills to create an app prototype which will minimize food waste. The apps or sites used are Marvel for this prototype, Microsoft PowerPoint to present this. Onto the app prototype. FoodShare, the number one app to share and transport your food, is what the home screen will say. So you either sign up as a receiver, so a food bank, or a sender, like an eatery. And you'd submit your details, so you'd come to a home page like this with restaurants that have food that you can use. Okay, so let's sign up as a sender, and you do a very similar sign-in process, adding your account bio and eatery name. So then it'll come up with food banks that you could donate your food to. So in account settings, you can add dietary requirements, also including allergens or halal options, and you can change all these things. In About, there'll be a small promotional video and something like this PowerPoint that I showed in the beginning that explains why I made this app. You can submit food here, so you just type the food here, and then the drop-down menu would allow you to select whether you want it to be diced, mashed, shredded, sliced, vertically sliced, or other, so the different options, and add more dietary requirements. That's a completed walkthrough. Thank you for watching.